Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video, I am going to share the one more scholarship opportunity with you guys. That is Swami Dayananda Education Foundation Merit by Scholarship. So here on Buddy4Study portal, you can see this scholarship is available. This is an initiative taken by the Swami Dayananda Education Foundation to provide the financial assistance to the students who are pursuing the professional courses like engineering, medical and architecture. Rather than this, if you are pursuing with any professional course, then you can get a benefit from rupees 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees. If we talk about the eligibility for this scholarship, so first is अगर आप इंजीनियरिंग, मेडिकल, आर्किटेक्चर और कोई ग्रेजुएशन प्रोग्राम में पढ़ रहे हो फ्रॉम इंडियन गवर्नमेंट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इंस्टीट्यूशन, देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस स्कॉलरशिप. Second is you must have scored 75% or more marks in the class 12th and in terms of CGPA it should be more than 7.5. Third is your family income should not be more than 6 lakhs rupees. If we talk about the benefit, then this is a merit based scholarship, so overall you can get a benefit up to rupees 2 lakh in the overall duration of your graduation. If you are studying in engineering or medical, then your scholarship amount will depend on your ranks in NEET and JEE exams. Like first is, if your rank is in between first to 100, then you can get a benefit of rupees 50,000 per annum. Second is, if your rank is in between 100 to 500, then you can get a benefit of rupees 40,000 per annum. Third is, if your rank is in between 500 to 2000, then you can get a benefit of rupees 30,000 per annum. And fourth is, if you are pursuing non-technical courses, then you can get a benefit of rupees 20,000 per annum. The selection process of the candidates in this scholarship is based on their academic merit and financial background. इसके लिए कोई भी इंटरव्यू और एग्जामिनेशन नहीं होगी. So overall there are 300 seats are available with this scholarship and out of 300, 50% seats are reserved for girl candidates. This scholarship is a renewable scholarship. अगर आपने फर्स्ट ईयर में अप्लाई किया है and if you got selected, then in the second year and in the remaining year you need to renew that scholarship. If you are in first year, second year or final year of graduation, then also you can apply for this scholarship. Coming to the documents required for this scholarship, so first is your class 10th and class 12th mark sheet. Second is your academic mark sheets for all semester term wise course. Third is your seat allotment letter. Fourth is copy of fee receipts. Fifth is copy of scholarship letter, education loan if applicable. Sixth is residence proof which can include a ration card or parents ID proof. Seventh is copy of a valid ID proof. Eighth is your proof of family income. Ninth is documents related to agricultural land ownership if applicable. 10th is copy of an electricity bill. 11th, proof of an education loan if applicable. 12th is your rent agreement if applicable. And last one is your photographs of the house and family photograph. If you are in 11th, 12th, then you can check the another video which is Tata Capital Scholarship. So it is available for you guys. You can check with that. If you are the post-graduation students, then you can check the LIC scholarship that I have already posted. The link I am sharing in the description box too. You can check with that. The last date of this scholarship is 30th October and the link I am sharing in the description box. If you have any questions related to this, then you can let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.